Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is TarjiV, or TJ for short. But in today's video, I'm going to do a hair wash day. It's been a minute since I've done a hair wash day. I used to love doing hair wash day videos because they were so simple and fun. So for the past 8 months, my hair has been breaking. And I finally figured out why. So I thought it was because of my iron deficiency, but luckily that's not the cause. The cause was really I think it's the Pro V vitamin leave-in conditioner. I've always used it in the past, but I don't know, all of a sudden maybe it's a bad batch, it's defective, who knows, but it has been causing my hair to break so badly. And my hair is very sensitive because I've noticed throughout the years, if I use the wrong product, my hair breaks off just like that. So going forward, I noticed that the less products I use, the better my hair thrives. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use my L'Oreal Paris shampoo and conditioner, you know, the whole paraben free line they have, and then I'm just gonna use my Cebu straightening heat protectant straightening balm on my hair, and then that's it. And then wear my clip-ins until my hair could grow out fully. I did cut it, so I'm hoping for it to start growing and thriving. It is growing, I just need to have some patience. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna use my clip-ins. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out my clip-ins. I'm not gonna wash them because they don't need to be washed. I'm just gonna wash my hair, straighten my hair, and then reinstall my clip-ins because I am so used to wearing my clip-ins at this point in time. So let's take them out and get my hair washed. So now we're gonna use some jojoba oil. I think I got this at the beauty store, maybe for $1.99. But this is the Feel jojoba oil. So I'm gonna put this in, and then I'm gonna wash my hair. I think my forehead is getting bigger and bigger at this point.
Good.
So because of my psoriasis, I definitely have to grease my scalp. And the jojoba oil is so good. So now I can wash my hair. So I finished shampooing my hair. Now I'm just gonna put some deep conditioner. I'm gonna do the Ever Pure. I've always used this. This is the Deep Nourish conditioner. You know, it's paraben free and all that good stuff. And then I'm also gonna put some jojoba oil in my hair to kind of, you know, add that extra moisture as well. You can see here. I'm just gonna let it sit for a while. I'm gonna go get the jojoba oil. So I'm just gonna finish the jojoba oil here. Just put it in my hair. Oops. I'm just gonna let it sit for maybe 15 minutes and I'll be back. And my forehead is getting bigger. Look at that. I used to have a tiny forehead. Like my forehead used to be down here. How much is way back here? Like, why? I don't get it. Like, I'm speechless at this point. I don't have a clue. So I've let my hair sit for about 20 minutes. I think it's about 20 minutes now. Yeah, so now I'm gonna wash it out and then we are going to blow dry. Like, yo, why my forehead so big? Swear to God. I think this is what happens when you get older. Your hairlines start to go way back. Because this don't make no sense. I could show you pictures of me when I was younger. Like my forehead was like down here. Now it's, oh my God. All right, let's wash. I'm gonna wash my hair out. So now it's time. So now it's time to blow dry my hair. I use this microfiber towel to dry my hair. So I'm gonna use this comb to just comb out my hair or detangle. I have the Sea Boost, what's this, Smooth and Mist Anti-Frizz. And I also have my straightening balm. So I'm gonna use the anti-frizz, some of this. And then I'm gonna put, oops, shit. You don't need a lot, just a little bit goes a long way. And I just put it in my hair. It's also a heat protectant. And it also has anti-frizz and keratin in it, so it helps your hair look nice and smooth and laid. So time to blow dry. This blow dryer is so old. She's been through some things. You can see she's chipped up and stuff. So my hair is dry, which I'm happy. I'm not gonna put anything else in my hair or straighten it. I'm just gonna start installing my clip-ins because my hair is pretty straight. I don't need to do anything. And if I do need to straighten it, then I'll do that while I'm straightening my clip-ins. So the last thing I need to do now is to straighten my hair, because this is a little bit curly. So I just want to straighten it a little bit. So I'm gonna put some of this, a lot of body. You can see it in my hair to kind of smooth it down. Ah! Get out the door. So I think that's much better. Then I could yeah, I think my hair looks a lot better. So this is my hair. I turned off the light because the light was a little bit too bright. So my hair is all done. And I'm back to normal. But my hair looks slick. This kind of looks like my hair.